Welcome back to our new ATEN review video. So for today, we will be discussing our USB-C multi-port mini dock with power pass-through. The model is ATEN UH3236. So I'll be discussing the features, but for now, we will check ano ba ang nasa loob ng box nito. So upon opening, upon checking ang item, as you can see, the item itself plus all the paperworks. I'll be getting out the item first and checking out yung mga paperworks niya, yung manual in English language, where and what and how to use it for your own benefit, and also yung warranty natin. As I put this aside, I'll be showing you yung mismong item natin. Very lightweight siya, so easy to use. You can put cables here, yung Ethernet. You can put HDMI, you can put USB 3.1, plus the actual power pass-through, which is USB Type-C. So for the other end naman, this is where you will put sa laptop natin, USB Type-C. Yan. So easy to use siya, easy to store because it includes yung pang-lock natin para tumagal din yung buhay ng item natin. So we also care for that, no? For the features nito, it easily connects 4K HDMI for 30 Hz or VGA for 60 Hz for external display for superior video output. It supports yung USB power display natin 3.0 for laptop charging. So meaning, while using it, pwede kang mag-charge sa laptop nyo up to 60 watts via USB power adapter. Again, very lightweight design siya and easy to transport. You can bring it with you sa inyong mga laptop bags anywhere you go. Sa school, sa work. So, requirements lang niya is USB-enabled computer Windows. And for video output work through USB-C port, it must support DP alt mode. So, tingnan natin yung ano niya, diagram natin sa likod. Nakita natin gigabit Ethernet adapter, USB 3.1, the HDMI, and VGA. Yeah, so that's all for now. If you have any questions, visit our website. You can call us anytime. Thank you and have a nice day.